Craftsie and welcome back. So today we're going to create a DIY beaded phone strap. This phone strap will not only keep your phone secure, but it might also just be the coolest accessory that you own. For your phone, that is. Now let's strap in and let's get to the video. Tools and materials needed. So you're going to want to start off with beads of your choice. 2 crimp bead covers, 3 jump rings, 2 crimp beads, a few focal beads, a charm of your choice, a phone attachment, as well as crystal string. The tools you're going to need is a round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and scissors. So creating unique patterns and designs. Here are some tips. So take beads you think work together. So in this pattern, I'm using see-through beads and 3 candy beads to represent a colorful, playful pattern. When you choose a charm, make sure it complements the rest of the beads. And then use your imagination. You can create beautiful patterns. Just try it out. See the ideas that work. Check what works for you. So in this pattern, I'm just adding some candy beads in between the see-through beads, and I think it works so well together, especially with the charm that I picked out. It matches the phone cover I'm using. It is definitely a vibe. I absolutely love this pattern. It's simple yet playful. How to secure your beaded strap for durability. Tip number 1. If you think your crystal string won't hold your beads, for instance, it's big, chunky glass beads for some reason, rather use fishing line instead and fold it double so that it will be able to go through the beads twice. So check out this video above where I fixed someone's strap with fishing line folded double, and I'll also show you which ones I used. Tip number 2. When adding your crimp beads and crimp bead covers, make sure that your crimp beads are flattened all the way. There's no space for movement and it is super tightly secured. Do you find it absolutely therapeutic when adding your beads to your string? Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about stringing beads? Is it something very boring for yourself, or do you like it and find it therapeutic like me? Let me know in the comments below. Now that the crimp bead covers and crimp beads are on and secured, very secured, now we can add the jump rings. So this leads me to tip number 3. Jump rings need to be fully closed with no gaps. It should not look like this, or this. Because if it does, there will be a gap, it will snap, and it will fall off, and you might just lose your strap. So make sure that your jump ring looks like this. adding the final touches. And voila, we are done. Look at this beautiful creation. It's a masterpiece. Really, it is. And these are some of my other designs I've made before, but I absolutely love these beads. What do you think?